So my boss, we're out here for the second day on the construction site. She's using Kubota. She couldn't get this little tree out of the way, so I had to take it down with the Sawzall. Yes, the Sawzall. I went through that like butter. Took me like 2 seconds. She's been here 5 hours on the Kubota trying to get that tree out of the way. Yep. So here's another one. Boss couldn't do it in the Kubota. So I had to do it with the shovel, you know. This tree right here. I did shovel it all out, get it out of the way, because my boss right there couldn't do it.